What if luxury itself decided to hit the open road? The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome isn't just a vehicle, it's the very definition of rolling royalty, where unmatched craftsmanship meets limitless adventure. Imagine a palace on wheels, designed not only to move you from one destination to another but to redefine what traveling in style truly means. From the outside, the Rolls-Royce Motorhome commands attention with an aura of elegance no other brand can match. The iconic Spirit of Ecstasy graces the front, gleaming proudly above a bold chrome grille that feels like the gateway to another world. The body is sculpted with smooth, sweeping lines, painted in a flawless two-tone finish that shifts in the light like liquid silk. Even parked, it looks like it's gliding. With oversized alloy wheels and a design that balances grandeur with subtle sophistication, this motorhome is unmistakably Rolls-Royce. Underneath its elegant shell lies a powerhouse of innovation. A hybrid V12 engine, paired with advanced electric motors, ensures effortless power while maintaining whisper-quiet refinement. With regenerative energy systems and solar panels integrated seamlessly into the roof, this motorhome offers not just performance but sustainability, allowing you to roam far without compromise. It's smooth, it's strong, and it's utterly refined, true to Rolls-Royce tradition. Step inside, and the experience transforms from impressive to otherworldly. The cabin is a sanctuary of handcrafted excellence. Fine leathers sourced from the world's best tanneries, polished wood veneers, hand-stitched details, and ambient lighting that can be tuned to your mood create an atmosphere beyond five-star living. The lounge area feels like a luxury penthouse suite, complete with reclining seats that massage, heat, and adjust with perfect precision. The kitchen is unlike any you've ever seen in a motorhome. Finished in marble effect surfaces, brushed aluminum accents, and outfitted with high-end appliances, it makes gourmet cooking on the road not only possible but effortless. The dining space is both intimate and grand, with a fold-away table finished in lacquered wood that transforms at the touch of a button. When it's time to rest, the Rolls-Royce Motorhome redefines sleeping on the road. A king-sized bed with memory foam and silk linens invites you into a sleep experience worthy of the most luxurious resorts. A skylight above lets you fall asleep under the stars, while blackout technology ensures the world outside doesn't disturb your peace. The bathroom is a masterpiece of design, featuring a rainfall shower, gold-accented fixtures, heated floors, and a water purification system that ensures absolute comfort wherever you are. It's like carrying your private spa along every journey. Technology in this motorhome is as seamless as it is powerful. Voice-activated controls manage lighting, climate, and entertainment, while a central AI assistant anticipates your needs, from plotting the most scenic routes to suggesting five-star dining stops along the way. Surround sound audio, high-definition displays, and even a private cinema lounge elevate your experience beyond imagination. But perhaps what truly sets the Rolls-Royce Motorhome apart is the feeling it gives you. This is more than a vehicle. It's a lifestyle, a statement, and a dream realized for those who demand the very best. Whether you're cruising coastal highways, exploring hidden countryside roads, or parking beneath city skylines, this motorhome doesn't just transport you, it transforms the journey into the destination. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is proof that luxury has no limits. It's elegance without compromise, adventure without rough edges, and freedom wrapped in the finest materials ever crafted. The only question is, do you dare to dream this big?